When they said you couldn't do it, when they laughed at your dreams, when they looked you in the eyes and said, be realistic, that was the moment you were born for. Every legend, every success story, every unstoppable soul started right there. Alone, doubted, misunderstood, but still moving. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need you. One believer can outwork an army of doubters. Let them talk, let them laugh, because while they're busy judging, you are busy building. This is the moment you rise. This is the moment you decide. No permission, no validation, no excuses. Just work, just fire, just you. They'll call you obsessed. They'll say you changed. They'll whisper, you've lost your mind. But that's what greatness looks like before it's visible. That's what focus sounds like before the applause. When you chase excellence, you'll stand alone. People will laugh. People will doubt. People will question everything about you. But this is the price of becoming rare. You will be tested. You will fail. You will cry. You will want to quit. And that's where most people stop. But not you. Not this time. Because this time, you promised yourself, you won't go back to average. You won't let fear write your story again. This is your line in the sand. No more excuses. No more comfort. No more playing small. You're not here to fit in. You're here to stand out. I don't care who doubted you. I don't care who left you. I don't care what you lost. You are still breathing. You are still standing. And as long as your heart is beating, you are not done. Stop waiting for permission. Stop asking for validation. Stop waiting for the world to understand your fire. It wasn't lit for them. You don't need approval. You need action. You don't need comfort. You need pressure. Because diamonds are born in heat, and you were built to shine through the struggle. They can laugh. They can doubt. They can walk away. But you're still here, still standing, still fighting, still rising. So don't you dare back down now. You've come too far to turn back. Take that pain, that doubt, that rejection, and burn it for fuel. Every time they said you couldn't, let it ignite you. Every time they laughed, let it feed your fire. Because one day, those same people will ask how you did it, and you'll smile because you didn't quit. Average hides behind excuses. Winners build habits. Losers make reasons. Winners make results. Every second you waste complaining, someone else is out there grinding. Somebody hungrier, somebody who wants it more. So rise or get replaced. No more waiting, no more wishing, no more whining. You've got two choices. Stay bitter or get better. You want respect? Earn it. You want freedom? Fight for it. You want to prove them wrong? Stop talking and show them. Every rep, every hour, every sleepless night is proof. Proof that you're becoming someone they can't ignore. They tried to break you, but you refused to bend. They tried to doubt you, but you doubled your focus. They tried to bury you, but you grew roots in the darkness. Every time they counted you out, you counted yourself in. This is the part they don't see. The nights you fought your own doubt. The mornings you showed up anyway. That's what makes a champion. Not luck, not talent, just grit. No shortcuts, no excuses, no giving up. If you want it, earn it with every breath. They tried to bury you, but you grew roots in the darkness. Let them say you're crazy. Let them say you're obsessed, because obsession is the birthplace of greatness. While they scroll, you study. While they rest, you work. While they dream, you execute. That's how you separate from the crowd. That's how you earn your crown. Most people run from pain, but you run through it because you know pressure creates power. You're not chasing comfort, you're chasing growth. You're not chasing followers, you're chasing purpose. You've crossed the line. You're in the zone where few survive. This is where legends are born.
This is your time. No more excuses, no more pity parties. You've got one life, one shot, and it's ticking away every second. Every failure, every scar, every sleepless night, they're not your enemies, they're your teachers. They proved you can survive what should have broken you. They proved you can rise when you're bleeding. The world remembers warriors, not worriers. Winners, not whiners. Those who get back up, not those who back down. You are a fighter. You are a survivor. You were born to win. So when life hits, you hit back. When you're tired, you keep going. When you fall, you rise stronger. Because the fight isn't around you, it's within you. And you are built to win it. So rise up, go again, push harder, train longer, think bigger, dream louder. Because this isn't just about winning, it's about rewriting your story. You are not broken, you are becoming. You are not the same person who started. You are stronger, you are faster, you are hungrier. Every failure forged your fire. Every setback sharpened your soul. Every tear turned into fuel. One day when they see your name, they'll remember the one who refused to quit. The one who stood tall through the storm. The one who turned doubt into dominance. The one who took pain and made it purpose. This is your time. This is your moment. Now go and prove them wrong.